Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share with you that we are going to Las Vegas for just a few days. I want to share with you what I am planning to wear in Las Vegas, and I have a question for you. When you see all my outfits, please leave me a comment what you like, what you think I should wear, and what you think I should leave home, because we are going to be there just two full nights there. So I am not going to take a lot with me this time. I am trying to minimize what I take with me, and I am trying to not overpack. So first thing first, let's talk about my travel outfit. So comfort is the key for the plane, but I also want to look put together. I am going to wear my new cropped, it's a sweatshirt jacket from H&M. I love it. How they say I'm obsessed. You know, I was looking for a denim jacket, but when I found this one, I fell in love. It's soft, it's warm, it's comfortable. If it's hot in the airport, I can tie it around my waist, and it's trendy these days. And I think I prefer this jacket to denim, and it's very versatile, and I love the color. It's chic, it's soft, it's comfortable, and I'm going to pair it with my another favorite travel pants, also from H&M, which I bought like years ago. I'll wear some t-shirt, running shoes of course, and I also bought an H&M on sale this leopard scarf. You know, leopard is so big right now. I mean, it's always been big, but this season it's like everyone talks about leopard. Not my favorite. I don't have anything in leopard, not my vibe, but this scarf I love, and it gives something to my outfit. When I was thinking about what to take with me, I decided to shop my closet. Literally, I wanted to take something what I bought recently with me, and I decided not to. I went deep into my closet. I went for things that I haven't wore for a very long time, for a few years. They were like on the back on my closet. So I decided to dig it out and see how it looks on me, and is it trendy, and am I still loving this clothing? If not, then I have to get rid of it. So let's see how did I do. So my idea is I'm gonna walk around, maybe shopping, maybe go see some shows during the day. So I'm thinking to take maybe a little bit extra, but I'm not going to take everything what I'm gonna show you. So I decided to take my two favorite jumpsuits. It's summery, it's light, it's comfortable. So for the shoes, I'm going to wear my favorite of all times shoes from it's Tom's. Again, if you've seen my previous videos, you know that's my summer go-to. That's what I wear always in the summer. They're comfortable, they don't hurt my feet, and they are my trusty shoes. So that's all I'm gonna take for walking, because I think I'm gonna walk a lot, and I don't want to hurt my feet and then, you know, just sit in a hotel. I don't want that. So my idea is, if I go out and I walk in the morning, then I might come back for lunch and I'm going to change. So I'm thinking I'm going to take maybe something extra, maybe shorts with some tops, or maybe long pants. But again, I don't want to clutter my suitcase because I want to take a small suitcase this time with me and see how I do packing everything in a small suitcase. So I'm still debating, should I take a hat with me or not, or should I wear a bandana? Let me know in the comments, what do you think? This is my old trusty hat. I have it with me for a while. I was traveling with it. So, but I don't know, maybe I'm not gonna wear a hat at all. Someone wants an attention. I maybe I will wear a bandana, and of course I'm gonna wear sunglasses. So as for the bag, for my everyday bag, I'll take this bag. It's a old, again old bag from Denia. Um, it's a crochet, it's leather, it's very comfortable and it's beautiful, and I also can wear it as a clutch. The belt can come off of this bag, and I can have as and I can have this bag as a clutch. Also, I love this bag. So this is a bag for my, day exploring, day walking around the city. I can fit a lot in this bag. And I am also debating whether should I take it with me or not. This is like I don't know, like a kimono, like a cover up. I've seen some people take it with them for Las Vegas to, not to get burned and just to have something on top, on the shoulders. Maybe I'll just put on a sunscreen. I don't know. So for the evening wear, I am thinking between a few things. So let me know in a comment what you like the most. First, I have this also jumpsuit. You can notice I love jumpsuits. And this is jumpsuit I bought, I don't know how many, at least 5 years ago, if not more, also from H&M. And what first of all I love about this jumpsuit, that it's long. Not all pants from H&M are long for me, unfortunately. I am 5'11". Sometimes pants are a little bit like short, on the short side. That's unfortunate. But this jumpsuit is long, and it's also in a good shape, and it still fits me really nicely, and I think for Las Vegas it's gonna be beautiful, and I can accessorize it. This pearl necklace from Timu. So on this jumpsuit, I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna wear like thin white belt, or I will just leave it without a belt. I don't know yet, but I definitely taking this jumpsuit with me. I'm loving it so much. For the shoes, again, I am taking my very old worn shoes because I don't want to be hurting, because my feet are so sensitive. And the older I get, the more sensitive they are. So I'm not wearing any heels for years now. But even like when I want to wear evening shoes, I have to be very careful. If I'm going to walk, I need to find something really comfortable. And just in case, I might take some sandals. So I am taking, just in case, one long sleeve with me, um, just in case. But I also have this sort of cardigan. It's not gonna make me warmer, but just a little bit. But what's beautiful about this is just how much little it takes place. So I can fold it, and I can put it in my clutch. So there is like two version, like bags. I want to take this little sparkly one, or this vintage clutch, which I also love and I have with me for ages. So another outfit I'm thinking to take with me is this burgundy cherry, bright cherry red kind of pants and vest. uh, I wore it a few times. I bought it last year. It's kind of new in my closet, and I love it, and I want to wear it, and I think it looks very nice and nice for the evening wear, and very comfortable. So and I also can dress it up with different jewelry, earrings, and same shoes, because I think dark navy is gonna look good with the red. So these two outfits, and but I have third in mind, so I'm still deciding. So let me know what you like the best. So it's also very old. It's like a jacket dress. There's been this store called Long Tall Sally. It's not even available anymore. I think it's online. I love it, and I don't wear it enough. I think it looks so good on me. I was afraid that it's, because it's been a while, and my body changing, so I was afraid that I got a little bigger, but no, it still fits me nicely. So and so I'm debating whether to take this dress or to take the another western pants. I don't know. I think I would feel more comfortable in the pants, but I love this jacket dress as well. So let me help to decide, please. Do you like? What do you like? What would you prefer? That's it, because like I said, it's just a short trip. We're gonna be there just for 2.5 days. So that's why I don't want to overpack. I don't want to take too much, because I'm still taking some makeup with me, some, I don't know, hair dryer, things like that. So I want to fit everything in my small suitcase. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please give me thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more. I'm not posting as often these days as I would want to, but I promise I will get to more. I will make more regular videos in the future. This channel I just started, and I need people to come in and watch, and I hope you like what I'm doing. So I have lots of things planned to talk about me, what I wear, and maybe I will encourage you shop your closet, for example, and maybe you will find in your closet something that you loved and you will still love. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Yes, and this lady, she was sitting with me all this time, keeping me company. Ciao!